Still paying monthly fees just to send a few emails? Yeah, it adds up fast. But what if I told you there's a simple tool that lets you grow your list, send unlimited emails, and automate your marketing, all for a one-time payment? Sounds good, right? Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing SendFox, a super affordable email marketing tool that's offering a lifetime deal on AppSumo. And yep, you only pay once. If you're a content creator, YouTuber, podcaster, or just want to send emails without getting overwhelmed or overcharged, this might be exactly what you need. So first off, what is SendFox? SendFox is an email marketing tool built by the team at AppSumo. It's designed for people who want to grow their email list, send newsletters, and automate follow-ups without all the bells and whistles that just slow you down. You get everything you need. Email scheduling automations, landing pages, sign-up forms, and easy-to-read analytics without the confusing dashboards or crazy monthly fees. It's simple, clean, and beginner-friendly. Let me walk you through a few things that make SendFox stand out. Unlimited email sending. Whether you have 100 subscribers or 10,000, you can send as many emails as you want. No limits. Automation made easy. You can build simple sequences like welcome emails, weekly updates, or sales follow-ups. And trust me, it's not complicated. Landing pages and opt-in forms, no need for extra tools. You can create branded landing pages and forms to collect leads right inside SendFox. Smart campaigns? This one's cool. If you create content regularly, like blogs, podcasts, or YouTube videos, SendFox can actually pull that content and help you send it out as newsletters automatically. Oh, and yes, it integrates with Zapier, WordPress, and more. So you can hook it into your existing setup. Now, here's the deal that got my attention. On AppSumo, you can get lifetime access starting at just $49. That includes unlimited email sends and up to 5,000 contacts. Want more? You can go up to 20,000 contacts with the higher tiers. Still, no monthly fees, ever. Compared to tools like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or Klaviyo, this is a huge money saver, especially if you're just starting out or working solo. All right, who is this for? If you're a content creator building a personal brand or audience, a freelancer or coach, wanting to stay in touch with your email list, a small business owner who needs simple email automation without the tech headaches, then yeah, SendFox is a solid option. But if you need advanced e-commerce features or fancy email designs, it might feel a little basic. To wrap it up, if you're tired of monthly fees and want a simple way to send emails, grow your list, and automate basic follow-ups, SendFox is a no-brainer. I've added my affiliate link below. If you grab the deal using that link, it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and let me know in the comments. Are you switching to SendFox? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.